Today, what I'm gonna go through is going through one of the essential features of a recorder, which is that if you have a section of footage you need to clip because there's been an incident, how would you get that from a recorder to a laptop or USB stick to send to someone else? So what we're gonna go through, I've got a version 4 recorder in front of me. That was the previous generation. And the next video, I'll do it on the version 5 so you can see what it looks like on both versions. There may be some slight differences depending on firmware of the recorder, but what I'm gonna do is get a section of 5 minutes from a recorder, put it onto the USB stick, so then we have it on a USB stick, and then show you how you get that playing on a PC. Here I am on the version 4 firmware for a recorder, and I'm gonna insert the USB stick into the recorder now, and it should show a prompt on screen. There we go. So you can choose a few options if you know what you're doing already, but I'm gonna recommend going to search, and then we need to select the camera that we want the footage from. So in this case, it is just our channel 1. Now we've only got channel 1 selected, we can only see the footage that is on channel 1. So let's say I wanted 5 minutes from 9:40 to 9:45. First click on the recording, and then you'll be able to zoom in with the mouse wheel. I'm gonna click 9:40 to start. So if I hit my scissor icon here, you'll see 9:40 has appeared here. And then if I go to 9:45 and hit the scissor icon again, I've now got a clip of 9:40 to 9:45 and hit save. Now I'm saving that footage between 9:40 and 9:45. If I go to now back up, I don't have a folder structure on this USB stick, but you can obviously choose which folder you would like to go into. Okay. And that's already done. I now have 5 minutes of footage on my USB stick. Next, let's go to the PC view so we can see what we have on the PC and how to view that footage. Now that we've got the footage from our NVR on the USB stick, I've put the USB stick into our PC here. I'm gonna go into our file structure, find my USB stick. It's saved under a folder called NVR. It shows the date of the recording and also downloads the Smart Player with it as well. Smart Player is what you'll use to view the file. The file does come in a DAV format, which saves the intelligence data into the file as well, or you could download it as an MP4, which is just straight video. But if you have any trouble playing the file, Smart Player does come with it. So if we click the file, it will ask me for an app. I'm going to open Smart Player. Smart Player is now open, and right away we can see that the file's already there. So if I now click an empty space on my Smart Player and click the channel, the recording starts playing right away. That's how easy it can be to just get a section of footage and put it onto a USB stick. You can also do it from the web view as well, which is a very similar process. You just go to the IP address of the recorder and you can download the file straight to your PC. Next time, I'll go through doing it on version 5 firmware, which is the current generation of firmware for our recorders.